How to make money on social media, 8 proven strategies for success. Welcome. Today we're diving into 8 proven strategies to help you make money online. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. Turn your passion into profit right from your phone. Whether you have thousands of followers or you're just starting out, these strategies can work for you. We'll break down each one with actionable tips and real-life examples. This is about building a sustainable online business. Ready to unlock the earning potential of social media? Let's get started. Affiliate marketing. Your referral code is your golden ticket. Imagine getting paid to promote products you love. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's like having your own online store. Sign up, grab your referral link, and share it. Earn a commission with every purchase. Sponsored posts. Partner with brands, get that bag. Want to get paid to create awesome content? Sponsored posts are where it's at. Brands are always looking for creators to reach new audiences. Create content that showcases their products authentically. It's a win-win. Brands get exposure and you get paid. Be selective about the brands you work with. Choose brands that align with your values and interest your audience. Selling products or services. Be your own boss. Have a talent or skill you're passionate about. Why not turn it into a product or service? Social media gives you direct access to a global audience eager to support creators. From handcrafted jewelry to online coaching, the possibilities are endless. Create high-quality products, showcase them on your social media platforms, and start selling directly to your audience. Don't be afraid to get creative with your offerings. Think outside the box and find unique ways to monetize your passions. Chapter 4. Ad revenue. Turn your content into cash. If you're creating engaging video content on platforms like YouTube, you can monetize your views through ad revenue. It's like having your own mini TV channel. As your channel grows and your views increase, so does your earning potential. The key is to consistently create high-quality content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Chapter 5. Crowdfunding. Let your fans fuel your dreams. Need funding for a project you're passionate about? Platforms like Patreon and Kickstarter let fans become your patrons. Offer exclusive content or experiences for pledges. Connect deeply with your audience. Be transparent about your goals and use of funds. Deliver value in return. Chapter 6. Online courses and ebooks. Share your knowledge. Earn big. Are you an expert in your field? Packaging your knowledge into online courses or ebooks is a lucrative way to share your expertise with the world. Create comprehensive, engaging content that provides real value to your audience. Market your courses on your social media platforms and watch as eager students sign up to learn from the best. Don't be afraid to niche down and focus on a specific area of expertise. The more specialized your knowledge, the more valuable it becomes. Chapter 7. Consulting and coaching. Help others succeed, get paid. If you have a knack for helping others, consulting or coaching might be your calling. Offer your expertise to businesses or individuals looking to level up in your niche. Utilize social media to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Whether it's one-on-one coaching or group workshops, your guidance can make a real difference in people's lives. Remember, as a consultant or coach, your reputation is everything. Deliver exceptional results and watch your client list grow organically. Chapter 8. Brand ambassadorship. Become the face of your favorite brands. Imagine getting paid to represent brands you already love. As a brand ambassador, you'll become a walking, talking billboard for a company that aligns with your values. You'll create sponsored content, attend events, and spread the word about their products or services to your followers. It's a fantastic way to earn money while building long-term relationships with brands. Be authentic, enthusiastic, and genuinely passionate about the brands you represent. Your audience can tell when you're faking it. Outro. Start earning today. Thanks for watching. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and find what works best for you. Now go out there, crush it on social media, and turn your passion into profit. See you in the next video.